Hey guys, if you want to know how I got this look, which is actually inspired by this Barry M nail polish that I got, then keep on watching. I've already applied my foundation on a base of NYX's Jumbo Pencil and Milk to my eyes before moving in with this peachy tone blush called Coral Temptation on a fluffy brush and blending it through my crease. I'm then blending a bubblegum pink called Strawberry Sherbet from the sleek Eye Candy palette through my crease and slightly under my lower lash line. I'm then taking the colour Palmer Violet from that same sleek palette and applying it to the outer corners of my eye. Then I'm taking some concealer on a small detail brush and using that to carve out 2/3 of my lid so that I can place another colour there in a moment. I'm using Royal from the sleek Original Eye Divine palette on a flat brush to pack the shadow all over the concealer. And then going back to that dark violet colour from before to help blend the edges of the two shadows together. Still with that dark violet colour on a small brush, I'm smudging it under my lower lash line and then moving to line my upper and lower waterline with a black pencil eyeliner. I'm then going to curl my eyelashes and apply a few coats of black mascara to the top and bottom lashes. I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corners with a shimmering white eyeshadow called Cream Soda from the Eye Candy palette. Then I'm using a contour shade on a large fan brush to help bring dimension back to my face. I find that using a large brush like this makes it easier to contour. I'm then moving to highlight my face with a shimmering soft whitish gold eyeshadow and applying it to my cheekbones, down my nose and to my cupid's bow. Finally, I'm lining my lips with NYX's lip liner in Sandstorm and then topping that off with Maybelline's Vivid Matte Liquid in Nude Thrill.